We first create a text layer. Control+click on the icon with the letter T on the text layer, Control+C to copy, Control+D to deselect. Then hide the layer and create a new layer. Now go to Filter and then Vanishing Point. Add the points of perspective. Now Control+V to paste the text and drag it to the right place. Control+T to resize if necessary. Now double-click on the layer and go to Blending Options. Use Alt+left-click to add another point. Play around with the settings until you like it. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like to support my channel. Thank you.